Hello, families. So, we have a very important announcement. This week, October 13th, we will not have any of our regularly scheduled classes or Sugar Plum Fairy rehearsals. Once again, that is this Saturday, October 13th, that we will not be holding our regular class. Unfortunately, there was a scheduling conflict and miscommunication, and me and Miss Julia will both be out of pocket. But with that being said, our program has made a promise to you to hold 4 classes a month and to have a co-teacher. So as you have seen, we do have Miss Julia, and holding to our promise of 4 classes a month, we will offer makeup classes. You will have the opportunity to sign up for Monday, October 15th. Practices will be held from 4:15 to 5 for Mommy and me. Level A will be from 5 to 6, and Level B will be from 6 to 7. Or you can attend on Thursday, October 18th from 5:45 to 6:30. Level A, 6:30 to 7:30, and Level B, 7:30 to 8:30. Those are 2 options for you to make up this class that will not be held on Saturday. We hope that these will fit your schedule. If not, feel free to reach out to me, being Miss Cassie, through the band app, and I will see what I can work out to make sure that everyone gets their makeup class. With that being said, you will only be allowed to attend one or the other. The opportunity to attend both is not an option this time around. To add to that, Sugar Plum Fairy rehearsal will be rescheduled for Saturday, October 20th at 12 p.m. This will be the first rehearsal offered for the Sugar Plum Fairies. Overall, we do want to apologize for this misunderstanding, and it is with sincere apologies that we put your families at this disadvantage. We hope this doesn't cause problems with your scheduling, but more than anything, we're so thankful to have such supportive families as you guys as we work through learning how to operate with multiple instructors, and we will do our best to make sure this does not happen in the future. Thank you again, and hope you have a good week.